Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 13th to the 19th. And oh my gosh, we have $1.50 Dove body wash. Have not seen this in a while. You're definitely going to have to make a trip to the store because that is a stock up price. Also on Friday evening, a lot of us got a 25 back when we make two $50 purchases. That can be done both in store and online, and that is valid until the 19th, so the full solid week. We have some high value coupons, so I think that is a possibility, along with the spend 20 earn back 5, and that is online only. So load both of them and we will see what we can do. Hopefully we can make a deal happen. And out of the Catalina machine, when I picked up some photos, there were free photos last week, I think on Tuesday. And I got this guy, a 3 back when you spend 15. It's not the 5 back when you spend 15, but I will happily take this. So don't forget to punch in your phone number when you pick up your photos, and hopefully one will print out for you as well. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 13th. Majority of these deals also begin on the 13th. Let's remember that. If you guys can do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. Well, let's get right into this. It's either the Dove Men or the Dove Women's Body Wash at $7 a pop. $3 reward when you buy two with an 8 off 2 digital coupon showing up this Sunday. Grabbing two of these for $14, subtracting that really generous coupon, you're going to pay $6, get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for the two or $1.50 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. What is a booster? That paper thing I just showed you, the 3 back when you spend 15, or those digital ones at the front end of the video. So if you're just going to do this deal on its own, this would be the deal to do this week because it's so fantastic. So make it so, guys. Don't we love this deal? If you remember last week, I showed a little deal with an Olay scrub. So those are $10 and there's a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So with this promotion, grabbing two of those scrubs, it's going to be $20. Subtracting that 7 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $13. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the two or $4 per scrub. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you like scrubs, I think this is a very nice one. And it's very similar to, I'm going to say St. Ives. Really love it. And now a Pampers deal for all the parents out there. They are 2 for $21, $4 reward when you purchase two. And then on Sunday, we're going to get a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. And these bags are the 22 counters. So grabbing two of these for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the two or $7 per bag. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, if you take the last two deals and add them all up together, that's $55, and that would be half of a do two $50 transactions, get back $25. Just a little food for thought if you thought it was totally impossible. Like, just to show you really quickly, that's how I would do it. Obviously, with this booster, you're going to have to pay the balance with your debit card, credit card, or bills. And when you complete the second transaction of $50, that's when you're going to get your $25. But with these high value coupons, I really don't think it's the worst. I think this is the best toothpaste deal to get the $5 Colgate's, $4 reward when you buy two. And the 5 off 2 is typically for the higher value one. So grabbing two of them for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. More cheap cereal this week goes to Cheerios. Any General Mills with IBOTTA 50 centers we're looking for. Grabbing two of these boxes at $1.88 a pop, that's $3.76. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $2.76. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA, 50 cents back per box. That's $1 back. It makes it $1.76 for the 2 or 88 cents per box. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I haven't seen a deal this cheap for cereal in a very long time, so that's nice to see over at Walgreens. Okay, now we're looking at a buy one, get one 50% off on the Scott toilet paper and paper towel and an online dollar digital coupon. Usually they give it for a paper towel and a toilet paper. Grabbing one of each, it's $7.50. Subtracting $1 off the toilet paper and $1 off for the paper towel. You're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per pack. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Definitely a lot of us are trying to stock up on paper right now. So at $2.75, I think this is a stock up price. Even if you're not too fancy about Scott, it'll get the job done in a pinch. Now we're going to talk about this deal, $5.49, $4 reward when you buy 4, and $1.50 off coupon. And I think there's $1.50 off for the liquid, the pods, the dryer sheets, and the scent beads. So grabbing a mix of them at $5.49 each, that's $21.96. Subtracting $6 in digitals, we have $1.50 off of each product. You'll pay $15.96. Get back a $4 register reward. So it makes it $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per P&G laundry care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But if you're looking at a $50 basket, this would be a large portion of it. So just keep that on the back burner. $4.99 for Bounty, Charmin, or Puffs paper products. $6 reward when you buy 4 of them. Now that is speaking my language. Unfortunately, I don't think we have any digital coupons, but grabbing 4 of these products, it would be $19.96, getting back a $6 register reward. It makes it $13.96 for the 4 or $3.49 per paper. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but going back to my talk about that $50 basket, if you were going to do the laundry care in this, I mean, you would be $10 short from that $50 mark. So just another food for thought idea. Now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions before I skedaddle into the big sunset. The first is a buy one, get one free on Haagen-Dazs, Nestle, Oreo. This kind of interests me. We're going to have to see if there's any IBOTTA or Fetch rebates to go with. We're into the summer. These are nice treats. A buy 2, get 2 for free on Pepsi products. I know a lot of you are probably entertaining this summer, so you definitely want to have these drinks on hand on the cheap, of course. A buy 2, get 1 for free on the Coke products, and Topo Chico is actually included. That's my husband's favorite, so I might have to participate in this deal because he's always drinking quite a few of those in the very hot summer days, especially when he's working outside. The Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, they have the small and medium trash bags, usually mediums also. Yeah, medium is included. $1.99, not a bad price point because it's usually like just under $5 for those. And 4 for $10 for the cheaper P&G laundry care. And yes, you can mix and match if you have an extra register reward, or if you want to stock up, if you're a newer couponer, this is the week to do it. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.